don't be a greedy person. Only pick the tender, firm ones, right? And let the big ones fruit. We're gonna pass this around. Feel the top of it, okay? Now you see the bottom of it, it does not have gills. It has a sponge, right? And when we cut it, you see that it did not stain. If you cut some other types of boletus, they stain a different color. There's one called Satan's bolete, that if you cut it, it turns a really bright blue the minute that you cut it. Like crazy blue, like an indigo, beautiful indigo blue. There's not many up here, there's a lot in Chama. You could probably use it for a dye. And if you cut the gill, it turns, you can write your name in the sponge. So this is a perfect and prime porcini. This, if you show this to a chef, they immediately, their eyes pop out of their head. So this is a very delicious, edible.
What's the market on those right now?
Well, there's been sort of a glut. This is an agaricus. Again, this is the same family as the button mushrooms that you buy at the store. Right? Now, I don't want you to pick and eat these because some are poisonous and or will make you sick, and some won't. So we're not going to collect this. We're just going to look at it. This is in the agaricus family, which is the button mushrooms that you buy at the store. And they smell delicious. Smell it. It's obvious why it's called a hedgehog.
Little quills. Oh, so it doesn't have like the.
It's got little
spikes.
hedgehog.
Is that what makes it more?
It's got their. I forget what the technical terms are. Because it doesn't have like the.
Okay, sorry, I'm asking questions and Sarah's
No, it's good to ask.
No, it doesn't. It's soft. It's like carpet.
Yeah. And it may be bitter and it may not. It depends on the soil that it's growing in. And this is a real good example of mycelium, which is mushroom roots essentially. And this is a king bolete. Okay, so this one's big enough. You could literally just cook this and have a whole meal. With that. So we're going to trim this one up. Do you want to do the trimming since you picked it? Why don't you
trim it, guys? Yeah.